These days I have had one thing on my mind: finish the drop line.
Oh, so much dirt. There's too much dirt.
I have got to finish that drop line.
Ooh. Damn it! Should have never been Frodo that took the ring into Mordor. Should have been Sam.
He had the heart, he had the courage, he had everything. He held Frodo up the entire way. Frodo would have never made it without Sam. Samwise Gamgee, you should have been the one. You should have been the one. Anyway, the drop line is the roll-in, the pumps, the drop, the second drop, the berms, and the shark fin. All we have left is to connect that wooden shark fin to the dirt shark fins. So we're gonna start by creating a transition out of that wooden feature. This is because right now it really looks like I just despise my back wheel. And I'm telling you, I love my back wheel, but if we were in public, somebody might pull my back wheel aside and say, hey, is everything okay? Do I need to call someone for you? And I don't want that to happen. So let's get to building that transition.
Okay guys, this is one of those times where I might just break out the skid steer. I try to do everything by hand, but it's really hot. I think we have a pretty good hole dug. I'm gonna test it out on the bike now and see if I need to mess with anything on it, but I'm feeling good. Oh yeah! So that worked way better than I could have ever imagined. I'm gonna take this leftover dirt that we stored up over here, shape a berm, so right after you come out of that, you hit that transition, then you swipe into a berm, and then you'll go into the S-shaped berm after that. Okay, I'm just gonna give it a little test run and we'll see what it's feeling like. Oh yeah! So it feels great. It looks like I'm landing right where I need to be. I'm gonna bump it up a little more and widen it a little more out just to give me something to work towards. At top speeds, I want this thing to still get you. I don't want you to shoot past it.
After widening out the landing for the mini tabletop, I decided to add a little roller for extra flow points.
I'm gonna give it a test run, and if it's good, then we are gonna move on and reshape this guy that you're sitting on, the shark fin. That's awesome. So we're literally flipping around and starting here. Okay, we are nearly done. I'm gonna shape this and then that's gonna be it. I think we're at a point where we can test it. So I'm gonna go ahead and give it a test. Oh.